Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who've been here before, we used to be called Toy Time. And now the channel name has changed to Mama Unicorn. Why? Because I love unicorns. So I want it to be known as Mama Unicorn. And you see all these slimes back here? Guess what they're for? We are doing a slime smoothie today. I'm so excited. I've never done one before. Let's get started. Okay, if you guys have been to my channel before, you know I've done kits with these Slime-alicious slimes in them before, and this one was the Grape Fizz Soda Slime. So I'm going to be adding that to my slime smoothie today. And I have not had this open in forever, so let's see. And it's gotten a little sticky, it looks like. And stuff has went all to the bottom. Ooh, it's really sticky. Ew. Ew. It's sticky. And you can still see some beads and little strawberries in it from the other video. Oh. That wasn't that sticky. I don't remember when I done the video. Ew. Okay. Next one. We'll do another Slime-licious. This one was the popcorn slime. And again, I haven't had this one open either. Ooh, it's stuck to the lid. This one still feels sticky too. Ew. Not as sticky as the grape one, but still kind of sticky. See the little popcorn beads in it? Is it still scented? It still has a little bit of a buttery scent. Not too strong now though. So plop that one in there. And moving along, let's do a jelly cube slime, which looks like it's leaked a little. Yeah, some of this has leaked out. It's still soft. I like the feel of this. But it's time to say goodbye and put it in a slime smoothie. And next, this was one of my most favorite slimes. It was a buttery fluff slime. Mango scent. This was so soft. And let's see. Ooh, it's sticking to the lid too. Oh, it's still real soft and just so fun to touch and play with. Oh, I'm going to miss this slime. It was the best. Okay, and moving on. We got another jelly cube slime. This one was pink. Oh. And most of this, it looks like it has leaked out too. It's mostly jelly cubes left. Not much slime, but mostly jelly cubes. And it's tearing easy. So, plop it in. Okay. Next, since we've done a lot of pink and purple, let's change it up and go with some neon green. This was from Compound Kings. Super stretchy, oddly satisfying. Ew, it's so bright. Does it fart? Ah. There it goes. And it's still super bright. And it's stretchy. So, plop the green slime down. And now, let's see. This is slime I didn't like too good. It came from the Dollar Tree, and it started out okay, but as I played with it, it started coming apart. Ooh. Well, that just went out. And next we have another Compound Kings. This one was a squishy, fun, oddly satisfying, glitzy slime. And let's see how it has held up after all these months. Ooh. Look, it's still shimmery. It's so soft. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, does it really have to go into the slime smoothie? Yeah, sorry. And next we have another one, only this one was pink. And I don't think it had any shimmery stuff in it. Nope. It feels more sticky than the one just now, the purple one. I liked it better. This one is pretty, but I like to feel the purple one better. And plop it in. Okay, next we have these two, which haven't even been opened. They are brand new slimes. So let's open these up. Okay. So this one was Compound Kings 2, and it's neon, and it's pink. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors. And it's a little difficult to open. So let's get it out. Oh, so pretty. It's so bright and neon. My favorite color of pink is neon pink. My favorite shade, should I say. And it's stretchy. And goodbye, pretty pink. So next, we'll do the purple one. It's made the same. Okay, so here's the purple. Ooh, it's such a pretty shade of purple. This is different from the other purples I've done. It's almost like a fuchsia color. Oh, so pretty. I could stare at this all day. It's so pretty. So, comment down below what color you think all this is going to turn. I myself think it's going to turn red because of the Dollar Tree slime. I think that had the most in it. Now, for the finale, my two little unicorns, you might know them as Megan and Savannah on their YouTube channel. I'll leave a link down for that in the description below. Check them out. They made me up 2 homemade slimes, which I haven't seen. I have no idea what they put in them. So this one is from Megan, my little unicorn. She put hi on it. Want to say hi, Megan?
Hi, people of the fans of Mama Unicorn.
Thank you, Megan. Now let's see what she made. Oh no. It's pink. And she's telling me that it has a smell, and I think foam beads in it. Megan, what is that scent?
Strawberry.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to be strawberry slime.
Okay, I was afraid she was going to do some type of mean and gross slime, but I really like this. Oh, it's tearing. She put a lot of foam beads in it. So, this goes in. And now one from Savannah. And here's her note from Savannah, the pink banana. What's inside? It's a secret. Oh no, let's see what she done. Oh, lots of different color beads. Is it all beads or beads and slime? Nope, there's slime. And glitter. Looks like black glitter. Almost looks like pepper in it. Did you put paper in the slime, Savannah?
Ew.
What scent is it?
What is it?
I can't tell. It was sticky. Ew.
It was sticking to the camera.
Ew. Savannah, it's sticky. Okay, and that's the last one for the slime smoothie. Now, let's make a mess and mix it up. Oh, what a feeling. There goes the popcorn slime. Oh, it's making noise. Oh. Ew, it looks like it's bleeding. And there goes that buttery slime getting all mixed in. Okay, I'm going to dump this out and make it easier. Oh, wow. Look at it. There's our pretty pink and purple colors getting all mixed in. There's all that red jiggly fall apart slime. Ew. These beads really just give it a gross feeling in it. If it wasn't for that, I think this is kind of fun, but the beads make it feel kind of gross, all the different textures. Oh, and it's heavy. Ew. You know, I really thought this was going to be the red would take over or it would turn it brown. But it's not. It's actually kind of pretty. I didn't realize there was so much slime in it until I started mixing it all together. Ooh, look, there's some of that green. That just makes it look gross. Like it's went bad. And there's a jelly cube in it. Ew. So what do you all think? I think it kind of looks cool. Kind of looks gross. I know it feels gross. And I don't think it's going to really mix up anymore. It's really slimy feeling now. Blech. And there's some more of that green in it. You can see some sparkles and some beads. Ugh. Looks like the inside of something. I don't know what, but something gross. Well, guys, that's as much as I think it's going to mix up. So that's it for today's video. Comment down below what you thought of this slime smoothie. Like and share this video and subscribe. And remember, check out Savannah and Megan. I'll leave their channel link down in the description below. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.